In today's video, I'm going to teach you upload images and files to Firebase. We'll walk through getting Firebase storage ready so you can reliably upload images and files from your app. Firebase storage is backed by Google Cloud Storage, which means it's built for scalability and strong security, but it also means you'll need to enable it properly in the Firebase console. Start by opening the Firebase console in your browser and selecting your project. Make sure you're looking at the correct project at the top of the page, especially if you manage multiple projects. In the left sidebar, find the Build section. This is where Firebase groups the tools you'll use to build your app, like authentication, Firestore, functions, and in our case, storage. Click Build to expand it, then choose Storage. When storage opens, you'll likely see a message that you need to upgrade your project's pricing plan to use it. That's expected. Some storage features require billing, so Google can meter usage such as storage size, downloads, and network egress. Go ahead and click Upgrade Project. Don't worry, Firebase pricing is transparent and you're billed for what you actually use. This step unlocks the production capabilities you'll want for real-world file uploads. Next, select a plan. The pay-as-you-go option is common for production because it scales with your needs while still allowing free tier usage where applicable. Take a moment to review the quotas and pricing details so they match your expected traffic and file sizes. After you've picked the plan that fits, proceed. You may see a setup control with a sparkle style icon. Click the Auto Awesome button to continue through the guided setup. You'll then choose a cloud billing account. If you already have one tied to your organization, select it. If not, follow the on-screen guidance to set one up. Make sure your Google account has the necessary permissions to link billing. If you're part of a team, an administrator may need to grant access. Once the billing account is linked, Firebase will finish enabling storage for your project. After setup completes, you'll land on the storage page with a default bucket created for you. That bucket is where your images and files will live. From here, you're ready to upload from your app using the Firebase SDKs or to run quick tests using the console's upload tools. Before going live, review your Firebase security rules so only the right users can read and write files, and keep an eye on usage in the console's monitoring sections to avoid surprises. With storage enabled and billing configured, your app is set to handle uploads smoothly and securely.